What if I told you we are about to reveal the secrets of the universe? Welcome to Mathputics, where the world of science, math, and technology collide to unravel the mysteries of the universe. In this playlist, we plunge into the captivating depths of physics. But we're not just sticking to textbook knowledge, we're going beyond. Physics is more than equations and formulas. It's the blueprint of the cosmos, the language of the universe. In this playlist, we're not just exploring the principles, but we're venturing into the practical world of applied physics. We'll unravel the history from the groundbreaking discoveries of the past to the cutting-edge advancements of today. And of course, we'll peer into the future, into the realm of limitless possibilities that physics holds. Every video will be a journey towards a new topic, some classic, some unconventional, all fascinating. But remember, we're not just exploring physics. We're going to compel you to think like a physicist. Join the scientific journey. Activate the atom.